Hi, today we will be making words. You would need these letters I, G, H, and S, T.
And if you don't have letters, you can use, of course, you can use magnetic letters or just plain letters, or you can write it on a piece of paper and cut it out. Also, you need some paper to write the words down because we will do a sort, so you might need some paper, a pencil, and the scissors. Let's get started. Let's do our sounds. Ready? Say the sounds with us, please.
I, G.
It can say g,
G,
and j.
J, H, N, st.
Very good. Okay, take two letters and right away up there, Andrea, you can stand up. Take two letters and make the word in. We can all spell in. I know we can.
It's not easy, right?
Yeah. And write that word down on your piece of paper. In. Very good. Number two. Let's spell another easy word. Change one letter in to make is. How did you know is?
Then, is it that?
Write that word down, is. Number three, add a letter to is to make his.
Okay.
Can you just kneel down so they can see your head, otherwise they can't see you. There you go. Add one letter to is to make his.
Move over.
There you go, write that word down. Is. His.
Then
Now let's spell another three-letter word.
is.
Tin. Some houses have tin roofs. Now you know how to spell in, so you can make tin. In. Let's hear you sound that out for us.
Tin.
Good. Write that word tin down.
Tin.
Now for the next word, you're going to use the two letters that make like the, think, thick, this. Okay, so be thinking about those two letters. Let's spell the word, add one letter to make the word thin. Thin. Go ahead, Andrea. Paper is very thin.
Thin.
So let's sound that out. Ready? In. Thin. Write that word down. Thin. You're going to go on to the next word. And this word, you're just going to change the last letter to make this. I love this making words lesson. This. Okay, Gina, go up and change that last letter to make this. Write that word down. Is. This. Now, again, you're going to need 4 letters to spell the word sing. It is fun to sing a song. Sing. A lot of you know the ing chunk. Sing. What's it start with, Andrina? Sing. Go ahead and write that word down. Don't forget to do that. Sing. Now, add one letter to sing to spell sting. Andrina.
Got stinged by a bee.
Well, we wouldn't. That's not how we would say it. The bee can sting Andrina. If you want to say that, you would say the bee stung Andrina because it happened in the past. Okay. Okay. So let's add one letter to sing to make st. ing. There it is. That's where we're going to put it. Write the word sting down if you have it at home. Okay, quickly, Andrea. This is a fast thing. Sting. Ing. Now change the first two letters in sting to make thing. That's right, because we know th and we know ing, thing. Write that word down, you got it. Now I bet everyone at home is going, I think I know the secret word that uses all of the letters. But before you do it, write that word thing down. Now add that last letter and you have our secret word. 1, 2, Trina, you ready to say it?
Yeah.
3.
Things.
Things. Can you show them where that S would go? Things. That's right. We have lots of things in our house. Things.
Toys, plants.
Show where the S would go. Things. You hear the S at the end.
I'm
Things.
supposed to scoot over so you
Okay.
can get your new palette.
Here we go.
There.
Boom.
Things.
Things. Okay, everyone at home and Angina, let's cut out those words to do our sort. We are back for our sort. First, we're going to read the words. As you read them, be thinking about how you could sort them. And actually today, we're going to sort them based on the beginning or the first sound. So really look with your eyes and listen with your ears. Read along with us. Here we go. Ready?
Sing.
Sting, in, thing, things, this, thin, tin, his, is. Okay, go ahead and sort them at home. First sound or beginning sound, ready, go. Here we go, everyone at home. Here's our sort. We have it by the and the. Ooh. I have an issue with the one there. Things, this, thin, tin. And thing. Ah, there. Those all have the th sound. That one has the t sound. Okay. Then we have sing and sting is an in. Great. Next, in our last part of our lesson is we're going to use one of those words in a sentence. And of course, you want to challenge yourself. You can use 2 or 3 words. So decide which words you'd like to use and start writing them in a sentence. And if you're watching this on YouTube, maybe you can comment below the sentence that you wrote and what word you used. We would love to see some of those letters.
His lambs in the pen.
Okay, we're going to write our sentence, you too. There you go. Okay, so his
lambs.
His what?
Lambs.
Lambs. Okay. And lamb actually has a B in it. Yeah.
The pen.
Nice sounding out.
Pen.
You need the end of your sentence. Nice.
Brighten that up a little bit.
Okay, do you want to say bye to your friends for making words?